Hello friends, in this video I am going to share with you how you can boil peanuts with shell and serve as a snack. It is a very healthy and delicious snack. Now let's start the video. Here I have already washed and cleaned the peanuts. Now these are the raw ones, but you can use any peanut that has shell. You can find these peanuts with shell in any grocery store easily, and these are very famous in Pune and in Mumbai. Now first I am going to show you how it looks like from inside when these are raw. Just break it and you will see the seed is slightly soft from inside. So this is perfect, but you can use the regular one that is available. Now you have to slightly break it. You do not have to totally open it, just slightly break it using your thumb as I am doing here. Once you have done all of those, this is how it looks like. Set it into the separate bowl. I am using pan to do this process. Add 2-3 glasses of water according to the quantity of peanut. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Give it a quick stir. Add peanuts. Make sure to slightly break it and then stir it. If needed, add little more water. I have added half glass of water. Now slightly stir it and then cover it and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. If you are using the pressure cooker, take 1 whistle and let the pressure release naturally. Now I will show you after 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. The peanuts are boiling. Open the lid and you can see the peanuts are slightly bigger in size and sit at the bottom. Now carefully take one of the peanut and place it into the plate. Remove it and now remove the shell. Do it carefully at this point because this is very hot, and wow, you can see the size is double, and when you break it, it will break easily, and this is how it looks like after boiling. These are done. This is the indication. When you are boiling it into the pan, now switch off the heat and strain the peanuts into the strainer as I am doing here. Do it carefully and now let it sit for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, these are slightly warm. Now take one of the peanut and you can see the seeds are little bit bigger and these are ready to eat. You can serve as is. When you are making it, just make sure before boiling, break the shell of the peanut slightly so that when you are boiling it, the salt absorbs into the peanut and you will get the perfect salty boiled peanuts for your snack. You can serve as is, hot or cold as per your preference. Hope you like this easy recipe of boiling peanut with shell. If you do so, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.